Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am here to talk about a new topic of English language. As you know that entities is on our head, students are a little bit disturbed due to the COVID-19. But definitely universities will take exams and there will be some anti-tests this university will take. To solve the problem of the students, I thought better to start the series of the lectures regarding the English language. The most difficult topic which I have chosen today is the first topic of the entities is the vocabulary. Everybody knows that vocabulary plays very vital role in our life. Majority of the students fail due to the vocabulary. They ask you the antonyms and synonyms. They may ask you choose the right word. Sometimes they give you sentences to identify and put right appropriate word. How to solve the vocabulary problem? It's a big question. There's no hard and fast rules to understand the vocabulary. It's not only it does not depend on your memory power, but it needs some techniques. With these techniques, we can easily understand vocabulary. Let's talk about today's topic. The topic of the today is etymology. I have written here etymology. Now, etymology means it is a study of the origin, roots, prefixes and suffixes. Means whatever the word comes, you have to find the prefixes, you have to find the suffixes and you have to find the root word. And suffixes, prefixes, root words have different meaning. The more you remember suffixes, prefixes, the better you can understand the word. Let's see what roots. Roots means a word stands on its own is a word. Prefixes means one or more letters or syllables added to the beginning of a word to modify its meaning. Suffixes, one or more letters or sounds added at the end of a word to modify the word's meaning. Now see some examples here. Here is written uncomfortable. Now un is a prefix, comfort is a root word, able is a suffix, irregularly, ir is a prefix, regular is a root word, ly is a suffix. Similarly, disorganized, dis is a prefix, organize is a root word, ed is a suffix. Likewise, unconfidently, disrespectfully. So the more you remember the prefixes and the suffixes, the more you can understand the words. Means whatever the difficult word will come in front of you, have to break into the three parts or the two parts, then you can easily understand the meaning of it. Let's do some other practice.